On December 19, 2020, at 2 in the morning, Orlando police initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle traveling the wrong way on a one-way street. The encounter culminated in a DUI arrest, 4 field sobriety tests, a breath test refusal, and ultimately a nolle prosequi disposition. This analysis focuses exclusively on the constitutional and statutory questions raised by the officer's conduct. The threshold question is the legality of the stop itself. Under the Fourth Amendment, every traffic stop constitutes a seizure. Under Wren v. United States, decided in 1996, an officer's subjective motivation is irrelevant if probable cause exists for any traffic violation. Driving the wrong way on a one-way street violates Florida Statute Section 316.081, satisfying that standard objectively. The next constitutional inflection point is the expansion of the stop into a DUI investigation. Under Rodriguez v. United States, decided in 2015, an officer cannot prolong a stop beyond the time needed to address its original mission. However, the subject's admission to consuming alcohol generated independent, reasonable suspicion of DUI, lawfully justifying the extension.
So where are you coming from tonight, ma'am?
Sorry?
Where are you coming from tonight?
Friend's house.
Your friend's house? You had any drinks?
A couple.
Couple? Alright, you sit tight for me, okay? Charlotte 35. Is there any 10-8 DUI unit over there in the Vos? I know they're doing a detail over.
Any DUI unit can be 5150 Magnolia.
Bravo 32.
Oh my God.
I can be around there. Still need that.
Yeah, I just say 51.
Do you have your registration, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
You never showed me your registration. Do you have it? Alright. Like I said, man, just sit tight for me here, and then I'll be right back, okay?
A second officer specializing in DUI investigations arrives on scene.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm Officer Hall with the Orlando Police Department, okay?
Okay.
So what I'm here to do is, one of these officers stopped you for driving the wrong way on the roadway, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm here to do is I'm here to ask you, they're worried if you're impaired, okay? So what I'm here to do is to ask, I kind of specialize in DUIs. Okay. So what I'm requesting is that you step out of the vehicle. Okay. We'll do some exercises and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have a jacket or anything you want to put on? It's a little cold.
I don't, but...
Will you be okay?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. All right. If you could just leave your phone inside, okay? Alrighty. We're gonna walk over here into this parking lot, okay? That way we're out of the roadway. If you want to come over here. Do you have any other shoes?
No.
You have no other shoes?
Nope.
Okay. Alright. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stand here, put your feet together, hands down at your sides. Stay in that position until I tell you to move, okay? Alright. Any head injuries?
Nope.
No head injuries? No traumatic brain injury or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Remember, just stay in this position, okay? Don't move until I tell you to move.
Can I take my shoes off?
Do you have socks on or anything?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, if you want to take your shoes off, that's fine.
Are you sure?
It's up to you.
I don't want, like,
Are you comfortable walking in those shoes to the point where if I tell you to walk in a straight line, can you 100% say?
I would rather take my shoes off.
Then take your shoes off. It's up to you.
Are you sure?
Absolutely, it's your decision.
Trick.
No. It's your decision. Preferably, if it won't affect your walking, I would rather you take your shoes off.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
I don't want any tricks at all.
I'm not trying to give you any
Okay.
tricks. I'm asking you if those are work
Okay.
for you. If you think they're gonna mess with you, take them off.
Yeah,
I'm
no,
good with that,
not at all.
100%.
Not at all.
You can use me for balance if you
Can
need
I?
to.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Are you
Just use
sure?
my shoulder
Okay.
for balance.
Thank you. Sorry.
If you think it'll work better, I'm good with that, 100%.
right.
You want to just move that out of the way? I don't want to kick your shoe.
Okay.
All right, what I need you to do is stand together, feet down, hands down to your sides, okay? Do not move until I tell you to move, okay? No brain injuries?
Nope.
Do you have anything wrong with your eyes?
Nope.
Do you wear glasses?
Yeah.
For what?
Sight.
No, like close, far.
Like computer.
Okay, so up close.
Yeah.
Like readers, cheaters,
Yes.
pretty much.
Yes.
Any contacts?
No.
Or do you have contacts in right now?
No.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check your eyes, okay? Remember to stay in this position. Hands down at your sides. Stay in that position, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check your eyes. Keep your head still and follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Do you understand? Can you see the tip of my pen?
A little.
All right, this right here. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Follow the tip.
I don't know. I don't want to say yes because I know that
Do you see it? That's
yeah.
that's a legitimate question. Okay. So what I need you to do is I need you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? You can see the tip of my finger, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't lead it. Keep your
Eyes only.
yes, but don't lead my pen. You led my pen, okay? When it was here, you were looking over here. So don't lead it, okay? Just keep following the tip of my finger, okay? Right here. Don't move your head. Remember to move only your eyes. Keep your hands down at your side. Okay. Do you see this line?
Yep.
Would you say it's straight?
Yeah.
Is there anything in the line that's going to mess you up, knock you over, trip you up,
I wouldn't think so. I'm cold.
other than you being cold?
Yeah.
But what I'm asking is, you don't see any sticks,
No.
any branches, any pipes, any
No.
poles? Okay. You have anything wrong with your feet? No injuries to your feet? Okay. No injuries to your knees? Any injuries to your ankles? Okay. So what I want you to do is take your left foot, put it on that line. Take your right foot, put it right in front of there, touching heel to toe. Heel to toe. Nope. Left foot on the line. Put that left foot on the line. Ma'am, you gotta listen to my instructions, okay? Put your left foot on the line. Your left foot. There we go. Take your right foot and put it in front of your left, touching heel to toe. Awesome. Keep your hands down. Ma'am, go back to that position. Keep your hands down at your sides, touching heel to toe. There we go. Keep your hands down at your sides. Do not move until I tell you to move. Go back into that position. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes.
Okay. Do not move until I tell you to move, okay? Do you understand? Do not start until I tell you to begin the exercise. Do you understand? Do you understand though so far? Okay. When I tell you to begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, and turn around, keeping 1 foot on the line, and return 9 heel-to-toe steps. It's gonna look like this, okay? You can watch my feet. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, and so forth until you get to 9. When you get to 9, you're gonna leave that front foot on that line, and you're gonna take short, choppy steps turning around. It's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna continue down the line, touching heel to toe, counting aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth until you get to 9. Do you understand? Okay. Remember to stay in that position. Touching heel to toe right now. I didn't tell you to begin yet. Go back into that starting position, please. Keeping your hands down at your sides. All right. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 1. I'm sorry, when did I turn around?
Just as I instructed.
Okay.
Everybody 772, can you go?
Yeah, 93.
54.
Did you understand the instructions?
I'm just walking.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, come back. I'll explain it to you again, okay?
Still show 163.10.
Go ahead and put your left foot on the line. Put your and put your right foot right in front of that left foot. Put your right foot in front of the left foot. There we go. Touching heel to toe. Keeping your hands down at your sides, okay? When I tell you to begin, look at me. When I tell you to begin, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps, counting out loud. Okay, 9 heel to toe steps, counting out loud. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. When you get to 9, you're gonna leave your front foot on the line and you're gonna turn around. It's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna go back down the line, counting 9 heel to toe steps. 1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to like.
No, I'm
really
listen.
Trying to like do what you want me to.
No, I understand, and that's why I want to make sure you understand the exercise. Do you understand it?
So like 9 and then 9.
9 turning around, and then 9 back. Do you understand?
Yes.
Remember to keep your hands down at your side, count aloud, and touch heel to toe.
So 1,
You may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Just as I instructed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Okay, you can relax.
Okay.
You can relax. All right. Just give me 1 second, okay? Just give me 1 second. Okay, so for this exercise, I need you to put your feet together like that, just exactly how you have them. Hands down at your sides. Okay, do not move until I tell you to move. Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Keep your hands down at your sides. Thank you. When I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg.
Which leg?
Your choice, okay? Either leg approximately 6 inches off the ground, foot pointed out, and keep both legs straight. Don't begin until I tell you to begin, okay? Keep your eyes on the elevated foot. While holding that position, I want you to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until told to stop. It's going to look like this. You can watch my feet. You pick the leg up approximately 6 inches off the ground. Don't begin until I tell you to begin. You're going to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Hold on. No hopping, no swaying, Remember to keep your hands down at your side. If you put your foot down, I want you to put your foot back up and count where you left off. Do you understand the instructions? Yes? Okay, 1 second. You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014.
Hands down at your sides, remember?
1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019.
You can relax. Okay, so I want you to keep your feet together, hands down at your sides. When I ask you to, I'm gonna have you close your eyes, tilt your head all the way back, close your eyes, and I want you to estimate 30 seconds in your head, okay? Not out loud, just estimate 30 seconds in your head. Do you understand? Okay. So, do you know how long 30 seconds is?
I mean, yeah, but
Okay.
like, what do you want me to do, like, in those 30 seconds?
Just estimate 30 seconds.
Just sit here?
So, yeah, when I tell you to begin, you're going to close your eyes, tilt your head all the way back when I tell you to begin. And then you're going to estimate 30 seconds, okay? When you're done estimating 30 seconds, I want you to open your eyes, look at me, and say stop, okay? I'm not going to know to stop unless you look at me and tell me to stop. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So put your hands down at your sides, close your eyes. Hands down at your sides.
Do I have to close my eyes?
Yes, that's part of the exercise. Tilt your head all the way back, all the way. Hands down at your sides, and begin. Tilt your head back. Head all the way back.
It's probably 30 to 50. OBT and Winter Rose on a black Chevy Equinox.
Head all the way back, unless you want me to stop.
Bravo 30, copy vehicle failed to stop, simply driven by the black male. Last seen, high rate of speed. It's gonna be eastbound on American.
Okay, so I don't know if you want to copy below, but now I'll get back to Bravo 30. Same ODT, I'm gonna run black Chevy Equinox, black male driver. Flight tag 256, Quebec after November 2006 2 a.m. After you have a single call, you shall have American aiming to park appropriate.
The transition to field sobriety testing implicates a frequently misunderstood principle of Florida law. Under State versus Taylor, the standardized field sobriety tests are voluntary, not legally compelled. The subject was never advised of this right. Florida courts have not required such advisement, but the omission remains noteworthy. Refusal can be admitted as consciousness of guilt, but performing the tests typically generates more inculpatory evidence than refusal. Officer Hall administered the 3 NHTSA tests plus the Romberg balance assessment, which is non-standardized but routinely accepted in Florida courts. The most consequential constitutional question is the timing of the Miranda warning under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966. Miranda attaches only when a subject is both in custody and being interrogated. Both elements must be present. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, decided in 1984, an ordinary traffic stop does not constitute custody for Miranda purposes. The Supreme Court held that the temporary public nature of a traffic stop does not generate the coercive pressures Miranda was designed to protect against. Officer Hall's pre-test questions and the field sobriety tests themselves, therefore, did not require a Miranda warning under controlling precedent. The decision to read Miranda before the open-ended question, and I quote, Can you tell me what happened tonight reflects correct doctrinal application? In. That question is testimonial. Custody had functionally ripened, and any answer would have been inadmissible without the warning.
Relax. Did you get to 30?
Oh, more.
You got
Yeah,
to...
I
Well,
would
did
say-
you understand the exercise?
Yeah.
What did I tell you to do?
Count to 30.
Estimate 30 seconds, right? And then when you got to 30 seconds, what did I tell you to do?
Honestly, I wouldn't know. I just counted 30.
I gave you an instruction, correct? Didn't I ask you to open your eyes, tell me to stop? Right? Okay.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, so you remember me telling you that?
A little nervous. Yeah.
Okay, I understand, but you remember my instructions, correct? Okay. So, obviously, you can't go anywhere, right? The police stopped you, you got red and blue lights on, you know what I mean? So I want to ask you some questions, okay? So I have to read you something because I want to ask you questions. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You have a right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one, one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand?
Yep.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
No.
Okay. So, can you tell me what happened tonight? Why we're here?
I mean, honestly, I really don't know why. Was I swerving?
Well, I explained to you when I came and talked to you that you were stopped because you were driving the wrong way down one-way road, correct?
This road?
No. Orange Avenue. Right? Okay. So you were driving the wrong way down a one-way road. So that's why you were pulled over. Okay? The reason I'm here, like I explained to you when I first made contact with you, is I specialize in DUIs and driving under the influence, and that's why I'm talking to you. So my question is, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Not too much.
What's not too much?
Like 2 or 3 drinks.
2 or 3 drinks? What kind of drinks were they?
Vodka.
Vodka and what?
Red Bull.
Vodka and Red Bull. Okay. So with the vodka and Red Bull, are we talking doubles, singles?
Singles.
Singles? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And when was the last time you had your drink?
An hour ago. 2
Okay.
hours ago.
What time do you think it is?
What time is it right now?
Well, you tell me. That's why I'm asking.
12.
12? Okay. It's 2:45.
Okay.
Okay. So you had your last drink at 12, you would think? Okay. And when was the last time you ate?
8.
Yeah, ate food.
Oh, I had dinner. So
What time?
8.
8 o'clock? What did you have?
Scallops and mashed potatoes.
Okay, scallops and mashed potatoes. Pretty good meal. Nice. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being sober as a judge, and 2 being drunk, where would you be?
4.
A 4? You would say you're on a 4 out of the 1 to 10 scale. Okay. Where was that? Where was that 85?
So 5570
Oh, the gas station? Okay. All right. So at this point, I am placing you under arrest for DUI. Okay? Don't freak out. Don't want to come out of here. Cool. That'll work. Just relax. Just relax. Relax your hands, okay? All right, come with me. Come with me. Ma'am, do you have anything on your person?
No.
Okay, I need you to at least be cordial with me because I've treated you with respect, correct?
I've treated you
Okay.
cordially as well.
So,
What do you mean?
I know, I'm just telling you, you're giving me a little bit of attitude, and I'm asking you this to benefit you. If you have any drugs on your person and you enter the jail, it will be a felony charge. Right now, you're at a misdemeanor.
On me.
Okay. Okay, have a seat.
Alexander, you got a contact number?
Like my mom, or what do you mean?
As far as I'm writing you a citation for
904.
what's that? All right. Okay, so I'm writing you a citation for driving wrong way on a one-way street. You were going northbound on Orange Avenue at that intersection right there. Orange Avenue only goes southbound. That's why I pulled in front of your car and you kept moving forward till we got here. So that's what I'm citing you for. It's a $164 violation, and you got within 30 days to pay the fine or to take me to court or to go to traffic school. Okay.
Okay.
Your ticket will be left with him.
You'll have your ticket, okay?
What?
The ticket you're getting, it'll be in your property, okay? That's all he said.
Is this a ticket or like a...
You're going to jail for DUI, but this is a ticket for the driving the wrong way, okay?
Stay secure.
Probable cause for the DUI arrest must be evaluated under the totality of the circumstances. Test from Illinois versus Gates. Florida statutes section 316.193 does not require a chemical test result. Impairment of normal faculties established by observation is sufficient. The aggregate evidence here, the wrong way driving, odor of alcohol, admission to consumption, observed impairment across 4 tests, and the time perception error constitutes a robust probable cause foundation that would survive a motion to suppress. Breath test refusal at the Orange County DUI Center triggers Florida's implied consent statute, section 316.1932. First refusal results in a 1-year administrative license suspension and is admissible at trial as substantive evidence. Under South Dakota versus Neville, decided in 1983, this admission does not violate the Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination. Birchfield versus North Dakota, decided in 2016, confirmed states may impose criminal penalties for breath test refusal because a breath test is a search incident to arrest requiring no warrant. The case ultimately resolved through nolle prosequi 640 days after the arrest, an unusual outcome warranting analytical attention. Nolle prosequi is not equivalent to acquittal or dismissal on the merits. It is a discretionary prosecutorial decision not to proceed. Likely contributing factors include the absence of a chemical test result due to refusal, potential challenges to the Romberg test as non-standardized, and the substantial passage of time affecting witness availability. Officer Hall receives a B+. The investigation was procedurally sound and constitutionally compliant. Miranda was correctly timed under Berkemer, probable cause was robustly established, and de-escalation was actively employed. The deduction reflects overlapping instructions during the walk and turn that may have undermined the test's reliability. The initial stopping officer earns an A- for a textbook stop, appropriate preliminary questioning, and a sound handoff to the DUI specialist. The subject receives a C+. The post-arrest decisions, retaining specialized counsel and refusing the breath test, were strategically sound. The on-scene decisions were not. Volunteering the type and quantity of alcohol consumed, agreeing to voluntary field sobriety tests, and self-rating impairment at 4 out of 10 generated significant inculpatory evidence. The Orlando Police Department receives a B for maintaining a dedicated DUI specialist program and full bodycam capture. There are 3 doctrinal lessons that this case crystallizes for both practitioners and the public. First, the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent applies the moment police questioning begins, not only after Miranda is read. Voluntary admissions made during a traffic stop are fully admissible, regardless of the absence of a warning. Second, in Florida, field sobriety tests are voluntary. Their evidentiary weight, when performed poorly, often exceeds that of refusal. Third, the implied consent decision is strategic, not merely procedural. Refusing the breath test denies the prosecution quantitative evidence, but triggers a 1-year license suspension and admissible inference of consciousness of guilt. For law enforcement, the case affirms that procedurally rigorous DUI investigations can survive even prolonged prosecutorial review. The path from observation to arrest to prosecution requires consistent documentation at every stage, and bodycam footage is now central to that record. Share your analysis of this case in the comments below. If you found this legal breakdown useful, consider subscribing. More constitutional analyses of police interactions are released weekly. Thank you for watching.